As Ukraine's drone army was chasing down a Russian tank, the first FPV drone cleverly hit the back section around the engine compartment, leading the tank to get immobilized. This causes the crew to abandon the tank, where more FPV drones can come in and finish the job, while several drones struck the tank. To assess the damage on each strike can be hard, but adding up several strikes as Ukraine's drone army working more in swarm attacks increases the certainty that each target is destroyed while not exploding or burning up, as internal damage after several strikes becomes enough, resulting in another destroyed tank, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.